cleaning the filter screen on the Wisy Vortex filter. This is a lid for it. This will twist off. And inside is this stainless steel filter screen. And there's two little notches on it, two little rivets in there. And there's this stainless steel removal tool, which we leave either on top of the units when we do the install or inside by the filters. You use this, you slide this in so it wedges underneath the rivets. And then that grabs it to pull out. And then this filter screen here gets washed off. You can either backwash it or brush it with a little bit of soapy water, brush that filter screen, that fine filter mesh right there, so that filter screen stays nice and clear. This filter screen is dishwasher safe, so you can stick it in a dishwasher once a month. That's a good rule of thumb. In the spring and summertime, mostly in the summertime, pollen will get caked on there, so it's a good idea to check it once a month to make sure that's nice and clean so that the water goes into the cisterns quickly. Thank you so much.